You have the brand new Vortex HD67 with the gigantic 6.7-inch screen. Looks like this. Make sure with a very cool back panel of cameras. You need to learn how to set the pin and then or password or pattern, and then I'm going to give you a tip on how to never forget your pin, pattern, or password. All right, let's get into saving. Some people like to settings. Some people like to go this way and touch the gear. Some people like to swipe up to bring up all the apps in alphabetical order. As for settings, let's go to security, touch security, inside security, touch screen lock, and you have the choice between pattern, pin, or password. In this example, let's touch pin. In this example, let's use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 again to confirm. And then at this screen, it just asks you what notifications you want to show while your screen is locked. Most people just push done, and then at this moment, put your phone down, and now grab your password notebook or password note card and write everything down about your phone so you can remember it. Okay, you have the HD67, today's date, your pin is 1, 2, 3, 4, or if you're a password person, pineapple under the sea, 1, 2, 3, 4, or if you're a pattern person, S for start, F for finish, and then draw your arrows of how you want your pattern to be. And now the most important part is to put this card in the place where you store all of your important papers, and that way you will always remember your pin, password, or pattern to your brand new Vortex HD67. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. And if you want a neat way to make your HD67 run faster, watch this video next.